So we will start with prep and prime. After that I'm using the concealer stick. This is from Color Essence. You can take any stick which is having orange undertone to hide the pigmentations you have in your on your face. And if you have too much pigmentation, you can use the orange color stick itself. So as you can see, I am blending everything with the warmth of my fingers only. So it's not necessary that if you don't have brush set with you, so you cannot do makeup. You can do a very good makeup with your own hands. But the thing is, like, you should be knowing a technique very well. So I have taken a liquid highlighter, so it will work as a strobe cream. It will give the illumination to my skin, which will come from like from which will come underneath the foundation. So here I am applying the foundation, which is of Makeup Revolution. It's almost a high coverage foundation, but it depend on you, like how much coverage you want, so you can increase or decrease the quantity. So the main purpose of making this video is to make the people aware that you do not need any brushes to do makeup. Few people fear that they don't have any brush set or brushes, so they cannot do a good makeup. So yeah, you can like pretty much do a good makeup with the hands. Like, you need to do the dab dab motion which you will do with the help of beauty blender only. Just think like your hand is a beauty blender, so do the same motion which you would have done with the beauty blender. So you can see like how flawless it is, like blending is coming. So yeah, you are your own judge. You can judge like where more blending is required on your face. So just like rub your hands, and with the warmth of your hands, just let it set on your face. This step is to basically, if there is any lines, so it will remove those lines. So here I am taking a concealer, a little bit quantity only. So this also I'll blend with the fingers only. So same way, as you can think your hand is a beauty blender, the same way in a dabbing motion you just need to blend it. So yeah, we are almost done with the blending of concealer. So this step is completely optional. If you don't have any, like, if much of the dark circles, you can avoid it, but I would suggest you to do this step because it will give the illumination to your face. So next step is the powder, but with the powder I got this sponge, so I am applying the powder with the help of sponge only. You can apply the powder with the help of hand also, but I have not tried it. So yeah, I'm just making use of this sponge which has come with it. So this gives the opportunity to set your base properly. Put the powder little more on the areas where you think crease can happen. So the next one is contour. So for contour I'm using this Wet n Wild contour kit, and same way as I'll be doing with my contour brush, just taking the product placing it and blending it. Blending is really important in the makeup. If your products are not looking like a blended one, it's just like if you place a product, it will look so bad. So it's better, like if you don't have the practice, or if you're not sure, then just skip this step. Otherwise, if your contour is not blended, it will look very bad. So you can skip that step if you're not sure, and you can just directly go to the blusher part. So today all my brushes are washed, so it gives me a chance to make a video, so how you can do the makeup with your hands. So I hope it will be helpful for the people who don't have brushes, or if you have the brushes and if you have like same situation as of me, like your brushes are washed and it's not dried, so yeah, you can do the makeup with hands also. So same way, like I place the blusher and then I'm blending it, rotating my fingers in a circular motion and blending it. So you can like increase the intensity of blush as you want by adding the more product. Okay, so I think it's pretty much done. So next is the highlighter. I'm using the liquid highlighter, but I will also show you guys like how you can apply the powder for highlighter, because maybe few people don't have the liquid highlighter, so you can apply the powder highlighter. And also, if you don't have the powder highlighter, still you can highlight your face using the any like champagne gold color or a silver color, any like glittery color in your eyeshadow palette. You can highlight it, but yeah, it should be like some neutral color only, not the one like you should not be applying the blue, greens, that kind of color. So it should be like champagne gold, silver, that kind of color you can apply. So now you can see like same way I have applied the powder highlighter. So on I am applying the eyeshadow all over my eye with the help of ring finger. I'm just like blending it on all over my eyelid. So today I'm not doing any ultra glam kind of a eye makeup, because what I think, like for eye makeup, if you want to do some cut crease sort of thing, or then you certainly need brushes. But so today's makeup is a simple one, so I can do it with my hands. So I have like I have taken a handkerchief also with me, so that like whenever I apply some other color, so I just clean up my fingers before applying the other color. So in this way your makeup will look neat and clean, not like. So I have taken other color, like this is the pigmented one. I think it's a golden type of pigmentation. So yeah, I have applied it all over my eyeball till the crease. Now you can see like with the hands only, it is coming out to be very nice. Just keep in mind, just blending should be proper. Just blend till the time you think it's good, because you are your own judge while doing makeup. So yeah, so you just need to keep cleaning your hand. So I have cleaned my hand, and if I apply these like two eyeshadows, so I'll be taking a clean brush and then merge it same way I have like cleaned my fingers and merge it, blend it properly. So yes, next is I'm applying a kohl. So here also, if I am applying a kohl which is of like touching my lower lash lines, then I should be smudging it properly. For that I'll be taking help of my ring finger and just running through my finger, and also just clean it with the napkin so that it will not ruin your makeup. So the next step is eyeliner. So here I am using a pen eyeliner, so it is easy. So yeah, I'm done. I'm making a small strokes of eyeliner so that it won't become messy.
Mommy.
Now my eye makeup is almost done.
My car is broken.
Which car is broken, dear? So I'm curling my eyelashes. Have you seen any dream?
Yes.
So your car was broken in that? Uh-huh. Oh, very bad. So with the help of mascara brush, I'm applying the mascara. Like this has come with the mascara itself. So I don't need any extra brush for this. So yes, a good mascara can make a difference in your eye makeup. So the next one will be like, yeah, to give a little light to my inner corners of eyes, I have put same highlighter, powder highlighter on like below my brow, like on my brow bone and the inner corner.
Mommy, let's go shopping.
Shopping?
Yes. Mommy,
So,
lots of toys.
Lots of toys you want to buy? Okay, we'll buy lots of toys for you.
Mommy.
But not now.
Mommy.
So I'm
Mommy,
applying eyeshadow. Sorry, this
Mommy.
eyebrow styler. Yes, honey, I'm making a video, please.
Mommy.
See, I'm making a video.
Mommy, close it. Mommy, close it.
Close it, please, baby. Let me make a video. So with the help of finger only, you have to just like blend the product. So the next one is lipstick. So here I'm not using any lip liner as such. I'm just applying the lipstick with the band it come with. And so this is the, okay, I will off it. Wait, just give me some time, like 1 or 2 minutes. So if you also have a kid, so you can understand like how the kids are. So yes, so my makeup is done. Setting the makeup with the setting spray, and I have this cute little fan to dry up.
Mommy, close it.
So I hope you like the techniques, and please try it. and let me know.
Mommy,
If you like my
press
content,
it.
please subscribe to my channel.
Oh.
Bye bye.